Welcome to Chennai, a vibrant city nestled along the southeastern coast of India, bordered by the beautiful Bay of Bengal. This bustling metropolis is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning beaches, and serene temples. As we explore this amazing city, you will see breathtaking views of lush valleys, the iconic beachside temples, and the scenic coastline that attracts visitors from all over. However, because of our negligence, Chennai is grappling with serious environmental catastrophes. The extensive pollution from traffic emissions, the careless dumping of garbage in landfills, and the cutting down of mango trees contribute significantly to climate change. Chennai is facing devastating impacts from climate change. Communities are being disrupted by severe floods, agricultural lands are suffering, and ongoing droughts in certain areas are leading to critical power shortages. These alarming conditions are a direct result of rising sea levels and pollution in our coastal regions. The urgency of this situation highlights the need for immediate action to prioritize sustainable practices, protect our environment, and secure a better future.
இப்போ வந்து நிறைய மழைலாம் பெய்யுதுல்ல ஆண்டி அப்போ என்னென்ன ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்லாம் உங்களுக்கு வந்துச்சு
கரண்ட் சுத்தமாக கிடையாது சுத்தமாக கரண்ட் கிடையாது பல கூடையில் கொளுத்து வச்சுன்னு சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு ஊற்ற மாட்டேன்றாங்க.
ஸோ அப்போ பழைய காலத்தில் வந்து இப்போ நம்ம கவுடங்கு இருக்குல்ல அந்த மாட்டு சாணி இருக்குல்ல அதை வந்து நம்ம ட்ரை பண்ணி அதை வந்து நல்லா எரிச்சு அதுல இருந்து எனர்ஜி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்ல. இப்போ நாங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா இதே எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் தான் நம்ம லேப்ல பண்ணி கேஸ் மட்டும் எடுத்து எல்பிஜி அந்த மாதிரி வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம்.
Now we are going to do a domestic experiment, that is production of biogas from cow dung. This is a final setup. This tube and this cylinder act as an outlet for gas.
2 days later. Now let's test the production of methane gas using flame test.
இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி கிளைமேட் சேஞ்ச் அவேர்னஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் ஏதாவது பண்ணியிருக்காங்க?
எல்லாம் ஒன்றும் பண்ணதில்லை. இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட் நீங்களாம் வந்து எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட்லாம் பண்ணீங்க. அவங்களுக்கு இந்த பொல்யூஷன்லாம் என்ன, அதனால் என்ன யூஸு?
In this fun demonstration, the kids are filling up two water bottles, one with vinegar and the other with water. Next, they are taking up a balloon and filling it up with baking soda. And then they are tying it up to the neck of the water bottle. Now, let's see what happens when this baking soda reacts with vinegar and water respectively. Baking soda reacts with vinegar to produce carbon dioxide, the gas that fills up the balloon, making it inflate. This small experiment helps us understand how invisible gases like CO2 can have a negative impact on our planet when produced in large amounts from factories, cars, and power plants, especially in big cities like Chennai. In the next fun activity, the students are asked to blow gently through a straw into the water. Methyl orange is added to the solution. It turns red. Acidic solution while it remains yellow in normal water conditions. Students come to know the danger of increasing level of CO2 in the atmosphere that can corrode the buildings due to acidic rain and also makes drinking water unsafe for us. Hence, we can use clay pots to cool our beverages instead of refrigerators that releases CFCs that can harm the ozone layer. The fourth activity is to design a simple filtration system. Cotton acts as a barrier to trap larger particles. Charcoal can absorb impurities and odors. Sands and gravel filter out smaller particles. Pebbles helps with drainage, and banana leaves help in removing contaminants due to their natural properties.
So by utilizing these simple systems, we can empower local communities to reduce their reliance on energy-intensive water purification systems that often require electricity but may not be readily available. Hence, we finally obtain clear water which can be further purified by boiling it.
It's not all doom and gloom. We can still change the story. Educating the next generation is the key to a greener future.
My contribution towards the mitigating climate change is properly disposing of trash when I see it.
Wait a minute, I meant the trash behind him.
All hope is not lost.
Let's take the first step
Together.